Imagine a vehicle so powerful, so unstoppable, it can traverse deserts, mountains, frozen tundras, and rocky trails without breaking a sweat. Meet the 2026 Iron Leviathan, the ultimate ultra-heavy all-terrain command vehicle. This isn't just a truck, it's a mobile fortress designed to dominate any environment on Earth. From its massive armored chassis to its luxurious interior, the Iron Leviathan is engineered for both extreme adventure and uncompromising comfort. Today, we're taking a deep dive into every detail of this mechanical monster, from its staggering specifications to the jaw-dropping price tag, and why it's a game-changer for explorers, tactical operators, and extreme vehicle enthusiasts alike. The exterior of the Iron Leviathan is built to intimidate and endure. It measures over 40 feet in length and nearly 13 feet in height, giving it a presence that cannot be ignored. Its 6 massive off-road tires, reinforced steel bumpers, and armored body allow it to push through debris, rocky trails, deep mud, and even snow without hesitation. The matte ceramic-coated paint protects against scratches, corrosion, and minor ballistic impacts, making it virtually indestructible in harsh conditions. LED light bars, roof-mounted solar panels, and heavy-duty winches ensure that it's not only durable, but also highly practical for off-grid adventures. Every line and angle of the exterior has been carefully designed to combine aesthetics, functionality, and survival-grade engineering. Stepping inside, the Iron Leviathan transforms into a fully equipped mobile command center. The cabin is designed for maximum comfort, seating 6 adults in luxury with high-quality leather seats, advanced climate control, and superior noise insulation. The rear module is essentially an RV on steroids. It includes a compact kitchen, a bathroom with shower, expandable sleeping quarters, and a dedicated command desk with satellite connectivity for real-time navigation and communication. Every inch of the interior combines rugged utility with luxury, making long-distance expeditions both comfortable and efficient. Whether you're exploring remote wilderness or operating in high-stakes tactical scenarios, the Iron Leviathan ensures you're fully self-sufficient and connected. Under the hood, the Iron Leviathan is powered by a V12 twin-turbo diesel engine, delivering a staggering 1,200 horsepower. This immense power, combined with a reinforced 8-speed automatic transmission, enables it to haul its massive 35-ton frame across nearly any terrain. The 6x6 all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension provide stability over cliffs, rocky paths, and river crossings, while its ground clearance of almost 4 feet ensures nothing can stop it. Twin onboard generators allow the vehicle to remain operational for days without refueling, making it ideal for remote missions or extended overland adventures. This combination of raw power, off-road capability, and endurance makes the Iron Leviathan unmatched in its class. Beyond raw strength, the Iron Leviathan is packed with advanced technology. A 360-degree LiDAR and radar system provides unparalleled navigation and obstacle detection, while satellite internet connectivity allows you to maintain communication from anywhere on Earth. The vehicle even features autonomous driving capabilities for long highway stretches or challenging off-road conditions. For scouting and reconnaissance, an integrated drone launch bay provides aerial support, while emergency power systems ensure that medical equipment, communication arrays, or other critical devices can remain operational in extreme situations. This fusion of luxury, durability, and cutting-edge tech makes the Iron Leviathan not just a vehicle, but a mobile command and control platform. Now, let's talk numbers, because this level of engineering doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Iron Leviathan has a starting price of $1.8 million USD, with optional upgrades such as additional armor plating, enhanced solar arrays, or luxury interior packages, potentially pushing the total cost beyond $2.5 million USD. Production is extremely limited, with only 10 units planned for the first year, making each Leviathan a rare collector's item.
For those who demand absolute capability, unmatched luxury, and a vehicle that can operate anywhere on the planet, the Iron Leviathan represents an investment in freedom, power, and exploration that no other vehicle can match. In essence, the Iron Leviathan redefines what a vehicle can be. It's a six-wheeled, ultra-heavy-duty monster that combines the utility of a military-grade vehicle with the comfort and connectivity of a high-end mobile command center. From its armored exterior and massive all-terrain tires to its luxurious interior and cutting-edge technology, every aspect has been designed for one purpose: to allow you to conquer the most extreme conditions imaginable. It's perfect for adventurers, tactical operators, or anyone who wants a vehicle capable of going anywhere, surviving anything, and doing it in style. If you're captivated by extreme vehicles, the Iron Leviathan is a glimpse into the future of overland exploration and mobile command capabilities. This is not just a vehicle, it's an experience, a fortress on wheels, and a statement of ultimate capability. From climbing steep inclines to crossing deserts, navigating snow-covered mountains, or surviving remote backcountry conditions, the Iron Leviathan does it all. With a combination of power, technology, and luxury, it represents the pinnacle of what is possible in an ultra-heavy-duty, all-terrain vehicle. So, if you're dreaming about the ultimate adventure vehicle, the 2026 Iron Leviathan is not just an option, it's the standard. With its massive presence, off-road dominance, luxurious interior, and state-of-the-art technology, it sets a new benchmark in the world of extreme vehicles. Whether your goal is exploration, tactical operations, or just to experience the thrill of commanding a mechanical monster, the Iron Leviathan delivers unmatched performance, luxury, and security.